So this is the guitar stand I just received today. A couple of things I pointed out. If I can do this. It's just, the hinges seem very loose, and as you can see, you can't really get to them unless you had a angled Phillips head, but that's too much of a pain. It sits wonky, so there's a little bit of rocking motion there, which I'm not crazy about. I don't really trust my instrument on it. And it seems very narrow compared to other stands. I don't have a guitar here to put on it, but it's just, I don't know. It looks good, but I don't trust it. So I'm sending this one back. Oh, and when you go to install it, you have to really get this foam peeled back in order for the screws to protrude enough to actually put the knob on to get it. So yeah, that part of it really was not fun, but other than that, it was easy to assemble. It looks okay, but I want it to be functional and not aesthetically pleasing. That's my review.
All right, this is the Donner wood guitar stand, and I'm showing you how it looks with the guitar. Guitar just kind of leans up against there like that. And here it is without the guitar, and really easy to install. There's just these little twist knobs to install the guitar rest. You can see there's a little foam piece here, rest of the guitar, and this just pops up, and it's collapsible. I did that with one hand. Yeah, I love the way it looks. Super awesome little product.